just outside our Winslow job. I'm just going to give you a quick look around. So hi, my name's Rob, I'm the builder investor. My company is called Greenwood Design and Build, and this is one of our jobs, and it's currently being plasterboarded and then due to be skimmed next week. That's the current state of our Winslow job. So that one is a rear extension, double story, and then also a complete refurb on the property. So pretty much back to brick. If you're interested in getting something done like this and you live in the area, Winslow, Cheshire, Staffordshire, then maybe we could help you. Drop me a message, and if we can, we will do. Cheers guys, see you in a bit.